This video is to review how to set up and assign lead times. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the vendors page, and then you're going to want to select lead times. So you're going to see there's this default lead time. This default lead time always appears, and it's going to be assigned to all of your vendors unless you change that. So if you want to create a new lead time, for example, you would go to New and select Lead Time. And then you have to figure out a name. So let's say this is USA USA to 123 supplier ground, right? So you create whatever name indicates to you. Now, every lead time will give you the number of days, so you don't necessarily have to put the number of days in the lead time, but anything else that is helpful to you to understanding what the lead time is. So then you start just building out your lead time. So order sent, say it takes your supplier 2 days before they get into production on your order. Then you would add production time. Okay, so say the production time is 15 days, right? And you just build it out like that. Now, you want to build it out with the longest possible duration so you don't cut yourself close. So if the longest possible duration for production is 15 days and the shortest time is 8 days, you would select 15 days. And now, so this is ground freight. So you have air freight, ocean freight, ground freight. You have the ability to send it to a prep center. And if you have to send it to a prep center, you would select prep center here. Now we have no suppliers selected as prep center, so we would have to add a prep center as one of our vendors. But we're not going to select that right now. We're going to go to ground freight, and we'll say it takes 5 days on ground, and then it ends up going to our third-party warehouse. See, you have customs hold, you have a bunch of different things. But it'll go to our third-party warehouse, and our third-party warehouse will take 3 days to check it in before it's available. And so this is, we said it was 123 supplier, so we always have to assign what warehouse it is. And then you can assign the various different vendors. So let's say, these are all of the suppliers that are associated with this lead time, and this lead time will become their default. So once you click save, it's going to give you a notice that you're going to be overriding previous lead times on the specific vendors, the specific suppliers that you selected. So you just click confirm, and then your lead time is created and saved. So you can see the 2 vendors that we assigned are right here, and it gives you the number of days ETA. And then it shows you the breakdown of every single item, every single steps within your lead time. And that's all there is. You can build out multiple different lead times for different scenarios, and then you can always update it per your PO. So if you have a PO that is going to be using air freight instead of ocean, you can reassign a lead time that you've previously created for that specific PO and that specific scenario. And that's all there is.